Welcome to the class. Today we will be continuing with the third main under the chapter Polynomials. Let us look into the question. It says that obtain all other zeros of this polynomial, that is 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So this is the given polynomial. If two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So for this particular polynomial, they have given two zeros, means two answers. They are also saying us to find out other zeros. So other than these two, there are another two answers that we are supposed to find out. So now our p of x means our polynomial is 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. This is our given polynomial. Now they have given these two are the answers. So the two zeros of this polynomial is root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So these two zeros will write it as x plus root 5 by 3, x minus root 5 by 3. So we'll write this plus root 5 by 3 as x plus root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 as x minus root 5 by 3. Why we are writing like this is because we are supposed to find out other two zeros of this particular polynomial. Now we know the formula a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So this is a standard formula. Now this formula will be applied to this particular sum. Now consider this as a and this as b. So this will also be a, this will also be b. Now it is looking like a plus b and a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b, the answer is a square minus b square. So we'll write this a plus b into a minus b as, see, a plus b into a minus b is written as a square minus b square. So we'll write it as a square minus b square. Now we'll solve this one. Now root 5 the whole square is nothing but, here the power is 2, which means that this number should be multiplied 2 times. So root 5 the whole square is root 5 into root 5. Whenever you are multiplying two numbers which are having roots, if the number that is present inside the two roots are same, that time roots get cancelled and the number will come as it is. If the number which you are multiplying, if these two numbers are different, that time roots doesn't get cancelled. Instead the two numbers will get multiplied. Here the numbers are not getting multiplied. Instead roots are getting cancelled only when the numbers are same. So now here root 5 the whole square is equal to root 5 into root 5. So here you can see the numbers present inside the root is same. So we will be cancelling the root and the number comes as it is. Similarly for root 3 the whole square. Root 3 the whole square is root 3 into root 3. Roots get cancelled. The number comes as it is. So now x square minus root 5 by root 3 the whole square is 5 by 3. So this is our q of x. This is our p of x. So now we'll do division. Q of x will come here, p of x will come here. Q of x is x square minus 5 by 3 and our p of x is 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Now we are having 3x to the power of 4. So here if no number is there, it means 1 is present. So we have 3. We have 1 here. What number if we multiply with 1, we'll be getting 3. So 1 3s is 3. So to get 3 from 1, we'll multiply 3. 1 3s are 3. Next, here we have x square. Here we have x to the power of 4. So from to this x square, what if we multiply, we get x to the power of 4? X square. So 1 3s are 3. X square into x square is x to the power of 4. So we'll write the answer here. Next, it is minus. Here no sign is present, means plus is there. So minus into plus, minus 5 by 3 into 3. 5 by 3 into 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are cancel. 5 ones are 5. So 5x square. Change the signs. This and this will get cancelled. Now, this is x cube, this is x square. So we'll write this 6x cube as it is. Here we have minus 2x square. This is plus 5x square. These two are like terms. So we'll subtract. Plus into minus is minus. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Bigger number sign, plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Next, here we have 1. We need 6. So plus 6. Here we have x cube. Here we have x square. So x. So 1 6 are 6. X square into x is x cube. Plus into minus, minus 5 by 3 into 6. 5 by 3 into 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are 5 twos are 10. 10 x. Why I wrote the number here instead of writing here is because I am writing like terms one below the other. Here also it is better to write it here rather than here. Now change the signs. Cancel. 3x square comes as it is. Plus 10x minus 10x will also get cancelled. Minus 5. Now here we have 1. I have 3. Next, to get 3, I'll multiply with plus 3. So 1 3s are 3. X square. X square. Plus into minus, minus. 5 by 3 into 3. 5 by 3 into 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are 5 ones are 5. Change the signs. So we have got 0. Okay. So our p of x was 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So our g of x was x square minus 5 by 3. So on dividing these two, we got q of x as 3x square plus 6x plus 3, and we got r of x as 0. Correct. So now in order to find out the other two zeros or the other two answers for this polynomial, we'll have to factorize this particular equation. So what is our equation? 3x square plus 6x plus 3. So how did we get this equation? It is our q of x which we got on dividing the given p of x by the g of x. Now look at the last number. So now here we are carrying out factorization. So how do we do factorization? Always look for the last number. Now it is 3. Look what are the factors of 3. 3 ones are. 3 ones are is 3. So the factors of 3 is 3 and 1. Either if you add or subtract these two numbers, you should get the middle number. Now since the last number 3 is smaller than the middle number 6, we can't take this. So in such cases what we have to do is multiply the last number with the first number. So it is 3 into 3. 3 3s is 9. So for the 9, we will be looking for the factors. 9 factors are 3 and 3. 3 3s is 9. Now either add or subtract these two numbers, If we add or subtract these two numbers, we should get the middle number. 3 plus 3 is 6. So we are getting the middle number if you add the factors of 9. So we'll split the 6x as 3x plus 3x. I'll write down the first number as it is 3x square. This is coming as it is. This plus 6x is split into plus 3x plus 3x. And the last number comes as it is. Now group these two and group these two. For these two, take common out. 3 is common and x is common. Write the remaining ones, x plus 1. Again here for these two, take the common. Here only 3 is common, x is not common. The remaining one is x plus 1. Again if I multiply, I should get the same equation. 3x into x, 3x square plus 3x into 1, 3x plus 3 into x, 3x plus 3 ones are 3. So whatever I have taken common out, it is correct. After multiplying, if you are getting the same equation, it means the common out what you have taken is correct. Now these two are same. 2 times it is repeated. We will write it only once. And the outer numbers what are remaining in the outside the bracket, we will put it in one bracket. Now these two are the factors we have got for this particular equation. Equate these two for 0. It is, take this x plus 1, equate it to 0. Also take 3x plus 3 and equate it to 0. Now when plus 1 goes that side, it becomes minus 1. Whenever the number is crossing this equal sign and going to another side, that time its sign always changes. So plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. So here we got x value as minus 1. Here 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. I'll send first plus 3 this side. It becomes 3x is equal to minus 3. So plus 3 is changing into minus 3. Next, here we have multiplication between 3 and x. You need the value of x. That time 3 goes below this 3. So x is equal to minus 3 divided by 3. This 3 is this one. It is coming down. Now 3 ones are minus 1. So again here our x value is minus 1. So what are the two other zeros for this polynomial? It is minus 1 comma minus 1. So this is our answer. So that was about third question. So now let us move on to the fourth question. It says that on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by dividing this polynomial by a g of x, the quotient and the remainder are x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. So we are supposed to find g of x. So first we will write down what is given. So what is given? P of x is given. So what is P of x? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. And they are saying that this particular polynomial is divided by a g of x. It is divided by a g of x, but this g of x is not given. We are supposed to find it out. Next, q of x is x minus 2. And r of x is minus 2x plus 4. So all these three values are given. G of x we are supposed to find it out. So there is a standard formula in polynomials which says that p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So this formula we will be utilizing in this particular question. So this is our formula. Now we need g of x value. So if we need g of x value, all these should come towards our LHS side. So this is our LHS. This is our equals. So this side, left side of the equals will be LHS and right side of the equals will be RHS part. So we need g of x value. So these two should come towards LHS part. Now here we have plus r of x. So whenever the plus r of x comes towards this side, crossing equals, it becomes p of x minus r of x is equal to g of x into q of x. So we brought r of x towards LHS. Now another one remaining is q of x. Now there is multiplication sign present between g of x and q of x. So whenever this multiplication sign is there, this q of x will come to the denominator part. So p of x minus r of x divided by q of x is equal to g of x. So here we saw plus on crossing equals became minus, and multiplication when crossing equals will become division. Done. So now this is our formula to find out g of x. Now we'll substitute the values given. P of x is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This is our p of x. Minus our r of x is minus 2x plus 4 whole divided by q of x. Q of x value is x minus 2. So this will give us g of x. So now let us solve. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus into minus plus 2x minus into plus minus 4. So here if no number means 1 is there. So minus into minus plus 1 into 2x is 2x. Minus into plus minus 1 4s are 4. Whole divided by x minus 2 equals g of x. Next, x cube minus 3x square. We can see that plus x plus 2x are like terms. So like terms will either get added up or subtracted. So it is plus x plus 2x. It is plus 3x plus 2 minus 4. Plus into minus minus, which means we are supposed to subtract 4 into 4 minus 2 is 2. Bigger number sign minus, whole divided by x minus 2 will give g of x. So we had got x to the power of 3 minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 whole divided by x minus 2 is equal to g of x. Now we are supposed to divide these two. So we'll do our division. X minus 2, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. We have x to the power of 3. Here we have only x. So if I multiply x to the power of 2 with x, I'll be getting x to the power of 3. So x into x square is x cube minus into plus is minus. So if no sign is there means it means plus is there. So minus into plus is minus. 2 into x square is 2x square. Change the signs. Plus into minus. Minus 3 minus 2 is 1x square. But the bigger number sign, so comparing 3 into 3 is bigger. Bigger number sign is minus. So minus 1x square. Other numbers, that is plus 3x and minus 2 comes as it is. Next, we have x, but we have minus x square. So here we have plus. Plus into minus. Plus into minus. Minus. We have x. We need x square. So x. X into x. X square. 1 1 is 1. Minus into minus. Plus. 2 into x. 2x. Change the signs. Plus into minus. Minus. 3 minus 2 is 1. X. Bigger number sign is plus. Minus 2. We have x minus 2. X minus 2. So x and x. Plus 1. X into 1 is x. 1x. Minus into plus minus. 2 1s are 2. Change the signs. 0. So this is our g of x. Whatever the quotient you get, that will be our g of x. This is our answer. So this finishes fourth question of polynomials.